The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, has gained considerable attention for its potential to aid in weight loss and improve various aspects of health. However, one concern often raised about the keto diet is its impact on cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a waxy substance found in our bodies that plays vital roles in hormone production and cell structure. In this video, we will explore the relationship between the keto diet and cholesterol levels to uncover the truth behind the claims. To better understand the impact of the keto diet on cholesterol levels, it is essential to grasp the basics of cholesterol. Cholesterol is produced by the liver and can also be obtained through dietary sources. It is transported through the bloodstream in two primary forms: low-density lipoprotein, LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and high-density lipoprotein, HDL, known as good cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol are associated with an increased risk of heart disease, while higher levels of HDL cholesterol are generally considered beneficial. The keto diet is characterized by a significant reduction in carbohydrate intake and an increase in fat consumption. Concerns have been raised regarding the potential impact of consuming higher levels of dietary fat on cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol. However, scientific research on the effects of the keto diet on cholesterol levels has yielded mixed results. Impact on LDL cholesterol. Some studies have shown that the keto diet may lead to a modest increase in LDL cholesterol levels, particularly in the short term. However, it's important to note that these increases are primarily in large, fluffy LDL particles, which are considered less harmful than small, dense LDL particles. Additionally, the keto diet has been found to increase HDL cholesterol levels, which may help offset any potential negative effects on cardiovascular health. Effect on triglycerides. One of the significant benefits of the keto diet is its ability to reduce triglyceride levels in the blood. High triglyceride levels are often associated with an increased risk of heart disease. By restricting carbohydrates, the keto diet can lower triglyceride levels, which is a positive outcome for cardiovascular health. Individual variations. It's important to note that individuals may respond differently to the keto diet in terms of cholesterol levels. Some people may experience a more significant increase in LDL cholesterol, while others may not see any significant changes or even experience improvements. Factors such as genetics, overall diet quality, and lifestyle habits can influence how an individual's cholesterol profile responds to the keto diet. Focus on quality fats. The type of fat consumed on the keto diet also plays a crucial role in its impact on cholesterol levels. Choosing healthy sources of fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, can help maintain a favorable cholesterol profile. It's important to avoid excessive consumption of unhealthy saturated and trans fats, commonly found in processed and fried foods, as they can negatively affect cholesterol levels and overall health. While concerns have been raised regarding the keto diet's impact on cholesterol levels, the scientific evidence remains inconclusive. The keto diet may lead to modest increases in LDL cholesterol levels, primarily in large, less harmful particles, while simultaneously raising HDL cholesterol levels. Moreover, the diet has been shown to reduce triglyceride levels, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. Individual responses to the keto diet can vary, and it is crucial to prioritize the consumption of healthy fats and maintain an overall balanced diet. As with any major dietary changes, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with pre-existing cardiovascular conditions or concerns about cholesterol levels. Regular monitoring of cholesterol levels and overall cardiovascular health is essential for maintaining optimal well-being and adjusting the dietary approach as needed. It's worth noting that focusing solely on cholesterol levels may not provide a complete picture of cardiovascular health. Other factors, such as inflammation, blood pressure, and overall lifestyle choices, also play crucial roles. The keto diet's potential benefits in weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation may contribute to overall cardiovascular health, even if it leads to modest changes in cholesterol levels. Furthermore, it's important to recognize that the impact of the keto diet on cholesterol levels may be more significant in the short term. Long-term studies examining the effects of the keto diet on cholesterol and cardiovascular health are limited. and more research is needed to fully understand the relationship. The relationship between the keto diet and cholesterol levels is complex and multifaceted. While the diet may lead to modest increases in LDL cholesterol, it often increases HDL cholesterol and reduces triglyceride levels, which are beneficial for cardiovascular health. Individual responses to the diet can vary, and it is essential to prioritize healthy fats, monitor cholesterol levels, and consult with a healthcare professional when making significant dietary changes. A holistic approach that considers overall cardiovascular health markers, lifestyle factors, and individual needs is crucial for maintaining optimal well-being. If you want more keto information, read the description down below or watch the next video on the right. Know that you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Embrace the keto lifestyle, prioritize your health, and get ready to thrive in your journey to become a better you. We believe in you. Until next time, take care and keep shining.